How to calibrate your Cricut machine. Step 1. Click on Menu in Cricut Design Space and select Calibration. Step 2. Select Print then Cut. Choose your printer and click on Print to print a test sheet. Step 3. Place the test sheet on a blue light grip mat and press the up and down arrow button to load. Step 4. Press the Start button. Cricut will then scan the printout for calibration marking and will start cutting. Step 5. Once done, check the cut and see if it touches the printed line without unloading the mat. Step 6. Then go to your computer and select Yes in the design space, then click Continue. Step 7. Next, the machine will begin the calibration cut along the top and side of the page. Step 8. Once done, determine which number and letter cuts are closest to the center printed lines without uploading the mat. Step 9. In Design Space, click on the top and right drop-down boxes and choose the corresponding number and letter. Step 10. Then click on Continue. Step 11. The machine will then make a confirmation cut along the large rectangle. If you're happy with the cut, select Yes and click Continue. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.